guys! Welcome back sa ating channel. It's me, Angie, kung bago pa kayo sa ating channel. So, for today's video is, I'm going to, for interview to the university. You know, correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not good in English, you know. I'm just practicing now because later on, I have a nosebleed, honestly. I'm a bit nervous, guys. But, hindi ko talaga kaya, guys. Pero, I will try. If I'm not succeed to this opportunity, of course, you know, sabi nga nila is try and try until you succeed. Habang may buhay, may pag-asa. Nakakainis, guys. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko alam. Kasi, alam mo yon, iniisip ko din yung future. Kasi hindi ko talaga alam kung ano mangyayari sa future ko, ganon. Lalo na yung wala kang masabihan. Meron man, pero hindi yung talagang lahat ng gusto mong sabihin. Alam mo yun, na iba pa rin yung someone is there for you, you know, when you need, you know, to talk, something like that. So, Tagalog na lang kasi, pinahirapan pa yung sarili, di ba? Pero itatry ko siya, guys. Itatry ko siya. Kung hindi man makapasa is okay lang. Hindi tayo talunan. Kasi iniisip ko lang talaga yung future ko. Kasi, di ba, paano kung hindi na tayo makapag-asawa? So, at least may better future tayo, di ba? Kasi ang hirap din kasi, guys, ng maging isang carer. Tingnan yun, i-insert ko na lang dyan yung video ko. Kasi may nagtatanong rin dito about sa pag-care, kung ano ba daw yung trabaho ko as a caregiver, kung house to house ba or sa care home. Nagtatrabaho po tayo sa care home. It means, kung pag nagtatrabaho tayo sa care home is maraming resident ang iyong ilo-look after. Not unlike the house to house, isang private lang, isang resident lang, isang matanda lang ang aalagaan natin. Tsaka kailangan, nagda-drive ka doon. You know? Kanina nga, nag-practice kami nung parang coach ko kung about sa interview na mangyayari. Pero guys, hindi talaga papasok sa utak ko. Alam mo guys, gusto ko mag-aral. Porsigid ako mag-aral, pero kulang yung knowledge for that. Ano yun? Ano yung ibig sabihin? So, magtimpla muna tayo ng kape. Kainis. Where's the sisa? Kasi alam mo guys, simula nang mag-isa na lang ako, ang usually na nagiging routine ko pagkatapos ng trabaho, sumasama sa mga kaibigan, nagiging nagiging alcoholic, which is hindi naman talaga ako ganun. Nung time na meron pa akong someone, galit pa nga ako sa alcohol kung tutuusin. Parang kailangan ko ng limitahan ng sarili ko. Nalilimutan ko na rin magdasal, alam nyo yun, parang nawawalan ako sa landas ko, parang ganun. Ay, Diyos ko Lord, kayo na pong bahala. Pero, it's a good sign. Nakikita ko na Lord is with me. Because, you know, when I wake up in the morning today, I received message from stranger about Lord. She willing to share what the Bible is, something like that. Pero masyado namang religious yun, guys, di ba? Masyadong religious eh. Parang, but anyway, at least, dun ko naramdaman na, you know, na nandyan pa rin pala si God. Kahit ganito ako, ganon. Ay, nako. Diyos ko, Lord. Yun kasi yung kinakatakutan ko sa interview talaga, guys. Sinenervyos ako na may mental block ako pagdating sa interview. Ito lang advice ko. Ito lang advice ko sa gustong mag-caregiver. Mas maigi yung maghanap ka na lang ng private na long hours para nakastick ka lang doon. Kasi parehas lang naman din yung nagiging routine. Pag sa care home kasi, marami kang makakasalamuha, hindi lang makakasalamuha, marami ka ring sakit na makukuha sa ano. Kasi syempre, matatanda na sila, konting ano lang, nagkakaroon sila agad ng infection, mga ganyan. Tsaka napaka-heavy din kasi ng trabaho sa care home, I telling you guys. Kasi although nag-ano kayo sa equipment, gumagawa kayo ng gumagamit kayo ng equipment, ang sakit pa rin talaga, guys. Talagang puwersa mo pa rin yung gagamitin mo. Pero kung brave enough ka, strong enough ka, why not? Why not to give it to try, ganon? So, yun. Sarap ng kape, guys. So, yun. Ipakikita ko sa inyo yung konting clip. Kasi very private talaga yung care home na napasukan ko. Hindi katulad ng dati na okay lang. Pero, kailangan pa rin nila ng privacy, of course. Hindi talaga allowed yung mga video-video sa care home. Kasi privacy nila yun. Diba? Kailangan na lang hingi ka ng permiso sa tao. Kasi, syempre, diba? Yun. Pero for experience, try ka muna ng try ka muna ng care home. Pero pag di mo kaya, marami namang option dyan. Pero I'm telling you, hindi ganun kadali magtrabaho sa care home. Palakasan lang ng loob at ng katawan. Ganon siya, guys. Ay, naka. Ano ba yung pinagsasabi ko sa inyo? Oh. Colombo. What it's all about? What it's all about? It's like museum, something interesting there. The beach, Colombo is it's called Colombo. I don't know. I just asking you.
Well, it's at the bottom of the bamboo.
But have you been to Colombo? Colombo. I asked him which he can recommend to us when we go to Barcelona. You want to come with us? Yeah.
Yeah.
So how can I enjoy my holiday if you are there? I need to push you using the wheelchair.
Yeah, I'm coming.
And you treat me food.
Yes,
Is that right?
He said he will come.
You can give me a budget.
I'll pay for your room.
He will pay
How
for
much?
your room. No, for your
I-
room.
I'll pay for your room.
You can still manage.
Pardon?
You can still manage.
If you still can manage.
I can manage.
You can. Ngayon is my break time, lunch time. Mag-isa lang ako dito. Maya-maya matatapos na rin ako, guys. Ngayon. Bukas is my day off. Good, thank you.
That's cute. I think she's.
Huh? The one?
there.
Okay.
Our veterans, who because
Sorry.
they've been
It's okay.
within the
Very
memorial,
early.
this could very much be the first time they get a moment to stare back out at the sea.
Yeah, maybe.
and we can share that moment
You
with
better.
Yeah, that's it.
There. Yeah.
All right.
Arranged for us with thanks to the Royal British Legion.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Among the faces here today, Cecil Newton, whose words, Cloak of Sorrow, inspired the piece of music we heard. Alan Frank Kennett,
Okay.
flight mechanic engineer with the Royal Air Force. Alec Penstone of the Royal Navy.
All right, like this?
Richard Trelease of the Royal
Is
Navy.
that it?
Yeah.
Arnold
I think
Salter
so,
of the
yeah.
Army, the Royal Navy.
That's
Jack
it.
Mortimer is waving at us.
This?
I feel
Yeah.
we want to
Really,
wave
I'm
back to
sorry.
Jack.
It's okay.
The flower he is holding was given to him by a member
That's
of the
it?
Cecil Newton Primary
Okay,
School.
yeah.
He's 100 now, Jack. He was in the Royal Army Ordnance Corps, and he currently lives in Seacroft in Leeds.
You okay now? You gonna go to wheelchair? All right.